all of you listen. If any of you should follow the footsteps of these criminals, I will deal with you all. Do you understand? Yes. Now go back to the classroom. Now get up. Now listen. The two of you, if you will not change your footstep, I will make sure you're suspended from this school. Do you understand? During school hours, you will wear boxes to the school. Holiday lesson, you will come in with your school uniform. What kind of stupid children are this? Eh? Suspended, eh? Jesus Christ. You people should come back here. You won't come back, eh? You won't come back. I said people should come back here.
Like this, who beat you?
Miss.
Which miss?
Miss Koi.
Miss Koi Koi. Which one is Miss Koi Koi?
Our class teacher, Miss Gladys.
What? Is she mad?
Maybe.
Hey! By the way, where are your bags?
She got them. She sees them.
After beating you, she sees your bags.
Like this.
After meeting you, you carry the bag, I spent so much. Okay, this is the day I'm going to kill someone. You flanked your father, you say it's a little. When I get there, you know where I'm taking you to. And listen, both of you. As we are moving, I want you to maintain strength. Okay? If I corner somewhere, I'll kill both of you. Nonsense. Is James better than you are? Come on. Another, maintain. Shut up first.
Oh, Papa.
I will wound you. I will kill you here if you don't take time.
Mr. Guy.
Hey, shut up. Shut that your mouth.
What are you
Shut up. Why are you asking that question? Nonsense. Who there here?
Mr. Guy.
Who there here? Carry your useless body, come out here. Let me teach you a lesson of your life. I am going to tell you that my children have a terrible father. Come out here. No sex. Let me see the woman that will not allow my...
Come on, see her. Now she's coming.
Oh. Can I help you? I am sorry. I know it cannot be you that...
Nashi! Papa, she be Miss Kragan. Hey, Papa, she's our miss.
Look, can you look at that machete? I am going to divide you into 4 if you don't close that your mouth up, Papa. Huh? I am sure it is due to your stubbornness that made her flog you.
Hey, Papa!
Shut up before I'll kill you here.
Please don't. Not in my house.
Hey, dear miss, if you hear all these children talk about you, you would have allowed me to kill them for you.
No, not in my house. Don't kill them. They are your children and they are kids.
Well, if you insist. But Biango, I don't know that there is somebody like you that live in this village. And I never know since. Hey!
Of course.
Please, is it possible for me to come and pay you visit some other time?
Hey!
Well, no problem. You're welcome anytime.
Okay. Thank you. I will come. Damn it! My way to. This will help me in this location. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Hey!
Let me help you.
Ben, thank you. I need Koi. Thank you very much. West here. It will suit my wound. It will suit my wound.
Oh my God.
Hey. Lots of items. Sorry.
Leave me alone. Useless man.
I am not. I said, where are they? What is the matter? Huh? This one that you are panting like a rabbit that escaped from the fangs of a cobra. I gotta kill you now! You thief. Huh? Otanko, me thief? Yes! Yeah, look here, Otanko. When I was sleeping, I never bargained it was you that I will see in my dream. Better let it be a dream. Because if you don't produce those roaches of yours, cockroaches, I'll make Omaki yours. Yeah, Otanko, you have gone mad. Huh? What is the matter with you? The matter with me is that you have taught your two cockroaches to steal. And now they have started stealing my cash crops. Cash crops? Yes, my peers. This really looks like a dream. What's it? Yeah, you slapped me. Listen, let me tell you. If I see those arches of yours, bet me, I will break them up like. Bye. Anybody at home?
Yes. Come in.
Hey.
Good afternoon, sir.
Would you welcome me?
Sorry. Welcome. But I didn't know you came to see me.
Waiting for carry me come here, if not to see you. Eh? Please, take.
No, what is it?
Take it now. Handle it. Look into it. It is yours.
All this for me?
Yes. As you can see, I went to the shop to buy all those things for you. They are called ladies' delectables. Hey.
Why are you giving me all this?
My name is Mbakwe.
Come in.
Hey.
Sit down.
Thank you. As you can see, my name is Mbakwe. And since that last time I saw you, I have never had rest. You know, anytime I go to bed, I will always see you in a dream. And in fact, last night, both of us, we were exchanging marriage vows.
Really?
Hey.
You did?
Yes, my dear. Will I tell you lie? Huh? So that is why I have decided to come and tell you that I love you and I want you to marry me.
Do you mean what you're saying?
Yes, I am sure. Huh? You see, like I said earlier, after that time I saw you, each time I go to bed, I'll just see the picture of my wife. It will come to my face, gidigba, like Nigerian film.
Okay, Mr. Mbakwe, what do you want?
Hey, that is why I am here. I want to marry you. And honestly, I love you from the buttocks of my heart.
But you're old enough to be my father.
Mbano, hey, how can I be as old as your father? Look, I might look 60, but inside me, inside, I am only 25. Try to understand, yes. So please, I love you from the buttocks of my heart.
Okay, you have to give me time. Let me think about it. Thanks for the gift.
Hey, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I will pray to God Almighty that you will think something better, something that will be favorable, so that I will marry you. And do you know what? I can even sing some love songs for you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm a song composer, songwriter.
Let's hear it.
In fact, my song used to be the best in this countryside.
I can't wait to hear it. Go on.
Okay. This one goes like this. It's specially made for somebody like you. Oh, Gladim, my sweetheart. Oh, baby, let me love you, please. Let me marry you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Glad, oh, yeah.
Is that all you can do?
For where?
Let's hear more.
Okay. I have this other one. It's titled BMW.
Bob Marley.
No, my song Bob Marley. No. M my W wife. Be my wife. You want to
This
listen
one
to
you're
that?
funny. Okay, let me hear it. Let me hear it.
Oh, woman no cry. Oh, woman no cry. I say, woman no cry.
Okay. Sit down.
Okay.
You have a beautiful song. I accept.
Hey! Oh, Gladimo! Hey! Thank you. Glad, thank you. Well, yeah. I thank you. Well, yeah. I thank you. Well, yeah. I thank you. Yeah. I thank you.
Are you coming tomorrow?
Hey! Are you asking? Definitely. In fact, before this time. Thank you, huh?
I'll be expecting you tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for you.
Yeah. And I will.
Oh God, this one is so funny.
Let me go and tell my kid today. Glady, ready. Bye, Glady.
All right. That is you found the husband. You found the husband.
Bring the letter Papa said we should give to Miss Coco. Aki, the letter is not our own. Papa said we should give it to Miss Coco. Just like that. Now, so, if they allow you to take that letter to Miss Coco, why not? Do you know that you are a popo? Popo don't popo team people. Aki, popo, popo. Aki, take time, oh. Bring that letter. You don't even know whether the letter says that she will flog us. That is true. Aki, you are right. Chinegi. It is not. That's true. I'm right. Hey. Aki, you are right. Small time now, you take it to her now. You did it. Aki, you are right. Dear Miss Gladys, how are you? Since you said yes, my life has escalated with the waves of boisterous, fire-consuming passion. Papa know how to speak grammar. Papa, he can speak very good grammar. I can't wake without thinking about you. I love you past my mother and even my children. Jesus Christ. Thunder and brimstone. Huh? So this man does not love us. Aki, this woman must have given Papa love passion. Look, if you give me a date, I will meet you wherever you will choose. I am dying for you, my angel. Your sweet bonbon, Mbakwe Esque. Papa is an Esque. Aki, tear that letter. Tear this letter or you throw it away. Papa, don't worry, we will deliver this letter to Miss Coco. But we will show them. We will show them, yes.
Lead the ball for us.
We want to play with you.
You can't play with us. If you want to play football, go and buy your own.
Shut up!
Give us our ball.
Why are you bragging?
I buy the ball with my money.
We're not quarreling, eh? I will give you a ball. Give it to him. Let me give you.
Bring it.
I will. Hey! I will give you a ball. We're not quarreling. Take your ball.
Give me my ball.
Don't worry, take your ball. We're going to play another game now.
Go and play.
And you move follow us. Papa, come. And make sure this your ball doesn't touch me. Don't come here.
I will come.
Papa, let's play. Let this ball touch me now. Hey! I win. Yes. Hey, you lose.
Aki, you win.
I've won. Move your hand.
Don't get out from here.
You want to play now? But when we wanted to play with you, you refused.
I didn't have anything to drop.
Yeah. Don't get out.
Please, let's play now.
You want to play?
Yes.
Okay.
Now you can now play my ball.
You can play your ball?
Yes.
Papa, do you know how to play this?
No.
Okay, let me teach you. Someone should put his finger inside this, another person will draw it. Then, if your finger remains inside this, so just like this person did, that means the person has won. But the finger remains outside, that means the person has lost. Okay.
I win. Now, not here again.
Aki, come here. Give this to your father. Make sure you don't lose it. Do you understand? Now put it inside your bag. Zip your bag well. You can go. Make sure you don't lose it. Do you understand?
Go. What is it? I see a letter of I love you that Miss Coco wrote to Papa. Darling, I miss you. I am thinking about you. I want you to meet me in my house tomorrow by 3 p.m. I will be waiting for you. You are sweetie. Hey, what? Hey, sweetie. Sweet. Did you glad? Does she say sweet? Do I know? I only know that she's our teacher and that she teaches. Papa will not go to her. Never. What will you do? Stop them? Exactly. Aki, Papa is a very stubborn man. He will beat us and tie us with rope somewhere and leave us there. Then you know that I am not Aki. What is that? Hold this thing. Hold this thing. Where are you going? I'm coming. Aki, go quick now. Chinedu, Aki, what is that you're holding? This is Akobara. Hold this. This catches the body. Aki, this catches the body.
Schoolboy. Why you catch me like that? Like a goat.
Because I will call it.
Boy, you can catch me like a goat.
My God, don't you know that you're a beautiful lady? Yes, you're fine.
You're fine.
No, he's not laughing at you. The Baka is a... No, don't know how to sing. Dorcas is a queen, a queen, Dorcas is a queen, oh, Angela. Dorcas is a queen, Dorcas is a queen, oh, Angela. Dorcas is a queen, Dorcas is your fire, oh, Angela. Dorcas is your fire. We'll be going here, Becca. We'll be going. Yes. If we spend more time now, Papa will flog us. He will beat us well.
Will you come again?
You want us to come?
Yes, now. Okay. Right. Dorcas is a beautiful girl.
Never see this kind of pickings before. I never see this kind of rascals before.
Papa and Aki, why are you returning from school now? You were playing football, Abi?
No, Papa. Is it not Miss Gladys that was delaying us with her letter, which she said that we should give to you? Yes, Papa.
Oh, Gladys.
Yes.
No wonder. Where is the letter? Did you bring it? Very good. Let me have it. You know my boys will wait to get such a nice letter for me. Let me see it. You know, I've been waiting. Oh.
She delayed us.
Okay, how is she? Oh, good. That is my boys. Both of you can now go in and eat your food, eh? I'm ready. Hey, she is nice. Why not today? In fact, I can't wait to see tomorrow. Thank you very well. Thank you very well. You. Thank you very well. I'm gonna name Mama. Mama. Oh, they're Mama. I'm gonna do Let me check. Green clear. Too much. Today go be today. I hope the navigator is okay. Yeah. Where are these rascals? Agi! I know they won't be. Papa! Karika papaya! Pakana! Where have you people been since?
We are studying the bush and doing some experiment.
Shut up!
What he means is that we are learning nature study.
See your heads. Huh? You are studying the bush. If you like, study the bush. If you don't like it, don't. But what I want to tell the two of you is that you should remember that I am expecting a visitor today. Okay? Your father, Ekwedi Kembakwe, is expecting a visitor. Very important visitor. Okay? So, I want you to be yourselves and behave. Now, Ake, go and put bathing water for me. Oh, that's my boy. Please, I want both of you to stay outside there, in case she comes, you'll be playing with her and, she's your miss. Then you will tell her that your father, is taking his bath, okay? Good boys. I'm coming.
Yes, Papa. Oh, goodbye.
Oh, God. Dorcas, what are you doing here?
I come. Are you singing not? I laugh. And you laugh not.
Dorcas, see, I am not in the mood. I'm waiting for my boyfriend and he's yet to come. So go. Don't get me irritated. What kind of useless girl is this?
Boyfriend. Are you a boy?
What kind of useless girl is this? Yeah?
You're not a boy. You are his guy. Dorcas is a guinea, Dorcas is a guinea, a gengele, Dorcas is a guinea.
Hey, my neck. Hey. Aki.
Papa.
Hey, please go and call Gladimo.
What? That woman is a devil, Papa.
Look, I don't want you ever to call that woman a devil. That woman you are calling a devil will soon be your stepmother.
What? Papa, that woman, she's not beautiful. If she comes into the house now, she'll be making us to be dreaming bad dreams.
Listen to me, both of you. If you don't go to call her, I will die. And when I die, both of you will be fatherless.
No. Don't die. We'll go and get her for you.
Thank you. That is my boy. Hey, that is my boy. Help me, Aki. Okay. Good boys. Please. Aki. Please, I want you to go and call Miss Gladys. Tell her that I want to see her here immediately. That I am dying, and if she doesn't come, that the God who made me, I will die, and I'll make sure that my ghost will haunt her.
Okay, let's go. Do you want Papa to die? I know Papa. Papa will not die. But through of us.
False! Okay, now be gone.
Papa, let's go. That's my promise. Okay, it's outside. It's not bad for Papa to marry Miss Koi. At least we have a mother. I'll die. Huh? Are you stupid? Look, if I allow Miss Koi to come and live with us, that means we're going to die. We'll be dead. See, if she comes in now, in the morning, she will use Ken to wake us up. In the afternoon, she will use Ken to force us to go and sleep. In the night too, she will equally use Ken to tell us good night. And you're saying that you want her to come and be our mother. Aki, you are right. She will make us to work 24 hours in the house. I told you. She will not succeed. Aki, you are right. This one. Look at her. Let's go and talk.
Where are you coming from?
We are going to Papa's girlfriend's house.
Hey, Papa's Garian.
Yes.
Papa's baby. Bad.
Doka, it's true.
Bad.
Papa is very bad, too bad. Yes. Dokas is a queen, Dokas is a queen, Dokas is a queen, a fire, Dokas is a fire, Dokas is a queen, Dokas is a queen, Dokas is a queen, Papa, surprise.
Oh, why don't you leave me alone? See, my head is pounding like a school band.
Papa, she is here now. Life and direct, Papa.
Who is he?
Miss Koi. She's standing outside the door. I'm waiting for you to come and open her door.
You naughty boys, You would have told me you've gone to collect her, so that I would have prepared ahead of time.
Papa, this is a surprise to wish you quick recovery.
Oh, that is my boy, see. Hey, come, Papa, come. That is my boy. Papaya. Okay. Oh, you are my wonderful son. Hey, but it's just that my body is so whitish that it looks like a cemetery monument.
No, Papa, but we told her that you are sick, that if she doesn't come, you will die.
Oh, you did. You people are wonderful. Yes. I wonder what I would have been without you.
Papa, nothing. Absolutely nothing, Papa.
What we are going to do now is to make sure that this place is tidied up. You, Papa, you will go outside and stay with her, make her happy, and that she's always smiling. Okay, while you will arrange here, please.
Two of us will tidy.
Okay, better. That is still okay. So while you tidy up this place, let me go in and dress up, okay? I am coming.
But you people, she's waiting.
Kenya, it's neat enough. Now, I want us to remember that our special song, You know it. Now, it goes, you remember, Gladimo. Hey, Gladimo, Gladimo, ma, put your best. Gladimo, hey, yeah, Gladimo, ma, hey, Gladimo, yeah, Gladimo, mama, Gladimo, mama, hey, Gladimo, mama. Gladimo, mama. Thank you, my boys. Let me give her my welcome song, the new one I composed. Oh, Gladim, oh, sweetie, when I think about you, my heart melts jiggy like railway. When I see you, my heart makes meow like dawn. Children, I know you are happy, huh?
Papa, she's waiting.
Shut up, both of you. Huh? This thing is like a hot soup. And you know hot soup, you must lick them small, eh? Now, this is the time. Aki and Papaya, let us give her all the honor and the decorum that she requires. You are welcome, Ogladim, to my country home. I am going to take you to the best, the greatest mountain. And there, I am going to build the greatest mansion that me and you will live forever till death do us a party. Another place, this my sickness will go one time. Oh God, yeah. Stop that! I know it was this is your handwork! What the they will kill me one day, huh? Oh God. Hey! What is the meaning of this? I said, what is the meaning of this? What are they doing in my room? Now, get out. Get out before I kill somebody here. Get out!
Boyfriend, can't sleep.
Shit! Hey! Huh? What can a man not see in his house? That I want a native doctor does not mean that I want one with korokoro in his ears. Hey, man of one no piakulamo. Eh?
Okay, go. See.
Papa, good night. Sorry, good morning. Sorry, Papa, goodbye.
Papa, what are you doing here in this kitchen?
Papa, I came to sweep the kitchen. The kitchen is very dirty.
I see. So what is in your pocket?
Papa, cockroach, rat, sorry, snake egg.
Oh, snake egg?
Yes, Papa.
Ah, interesting. You know, in my life, I have never seen snake egg at all. So bring it, let us see.
You see, Papa, this one look like fish. Plenty water there inside the egg.
Oh yeah, now bring it out, let us see.
See, Papa, Papa, was it not Dorcas that gave us the fish which we put inside soup? And now Papa is telling me that I should remove my hand from my pocket. Yes, it was Dorcas. It's true. Okay, Papa, let me go and wash plates.
Hey, come back here, come on. Papa, so tell me, when did snake egg look like fish in your brother's pocket? Tell me!
Oh, Papa, I complete myself, you know. Sometimes it will, it's...
Oh yeah, bring it out.
Papa, you see?
Hey, come, kneel down here. Kneel down! Hands up, come on. Hands up! Now, bring it out.
Let me come, bye-bye. Oh, Papa, I don't know the time when my enter inside the soup pot and collect the fish. In fact, I was asleep. Sorry, now devil walk.
Shut up! Shut up! Kanel! Now, if I ever see you, if I ever hear your voice, shut up! If I ever hear your voice again, I am going to divide you into 4 and make sure that you are dead and kill you like an armed robber, which you are. You are a criminal! Nonsense! Stupid thing. Where is this snake egg?
You see, Papa, one rat came and carried it away. The rat said he was going to see the sister that just delivered. Yes, Papa.
And you allowed it, eh?
Papa, you commanded me to raise my hands up, so my hands were still up when the rat attacked.
And that is enough reason for you to allow rat to... I am coming.
Even my auntie was giving... She said I was past and robber. And the prayer make God make a robber was past me. Papa!
And Papa, AKI and Papa, when I go killing somebody,
Papa. Is that where this one is looking? Come on, do it well. So you know you can even do it well. Hey, Kanye, come down. Is it not to clean this table? Why are you climbing? Are you destroying or are you arranging? Do it properly. Yeah, it's okay before that thing won't do table. Okay, my boys, now come together. See, I want both of you to remain in your room. I don't want to see you outside here when I come back. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Today is a special day. You know, we are going to receive that fine visitor. So now, yes, Kanye, go and get that food. Let me inspect it. Fast. I don't have the time again. Papa, please, I tell God beg you. Always remind your brother that both of you should remain in the room, okay?
Yes, sir.
That's my karika papaya. Very good. Open it, let me see. Yeah. What do you mean? Hey, look, I don't want to come back here and see that 1 grain of this rice is missing. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now cover it. Cover it! If you like, you twitch your nose from Nigeria to Panya. Now, remember what I told you people before, eh? I don't want to come back and see you in this living room. You must remain in your room till further notice, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. That is my voice. Pankadel. Karga papaya. Let me go and bring the visitor. Now take the food back inside the house. Thank you very much. Remain in your room till further notice.
Yes, sir. Yes, Papa.
Till further notice.
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye.
Papa, he's a general now. I am the major.
Where are you going?
Ndokasi or whatever you are called. Look here. I want you to stop calling my name. Eh? I am not in the association of Yamurons. If you ever stop me on the road and call me next time, I will kill you.
You're not doing anything.
Yeah? I have warned you. Let it be first and last. I am not in your association of... Chineke me. Hey. No way. Chineke me.
Nonsense.
Sweetheart! Ogladim! Sweetheart! I am sure she must be around. Sweet? Oh, Ogladi!
What is it? Have Marcus saw.
Hey!
What are you looking for?
I've never seen you behave like this before. Hey, I am sorry. It wasn't my fault.
Whose fault? Was it mine?
No, not these 2 children of mine. Those devils. They gave me poison.
Poison.
It is true. They gave me poison. In fact, I almost died. I saw myself at the gate of heaven and hell.
So why didn't you enter hell straight?
Not because of you. You know, when I got there, they gave me a form, and as I was filling it, there was a place that said whether you are married or single. And I answered married because of you. They said I must go back and carry you.
To fear Aqua. Me, I am going to heaven. It's only you that will go to hell, and I won't follow you.
No, anywhere you will go, both of us will go. You see, please, I am sorry. Please understand. In fact, look at what they did to me.
What is this?
That's what I'm saying.
Who did this?
Oh. When I tell you that these children are devil, you will not believe me.
I didn't know you were sick. Oh my God. Get up.
I think so.
Hey, sorry.
I think so. You did not know.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Hey, honey, I love you. I'm sorry.
Thank you. Hey! Bia! Dorcas! How many times have I warned you to stop following me, Dorcas? I am going to kill you! Kill her!
Honey, leave her.
Huh?
Let's go. She's a moron now.
I will kill this girl, whether I'm moron or motota.
Leave
Look!
her.
Take your time,
go. Don't mind her. Leave her alone. She's a moron. You want to beat her.
Follow me next time. If I don't kill you, then I am not Mama Zimbabwe.
Okay,
you want to disturb me and my darling?
Okay.
Nonsense.
Okay.
I'll be thinking of my children and I'll be thinking of you.
Okay now.
Nonsense.
You're shouting with a moron.
Go kill somebody, oh. Aki and Papa, gonna get Bukwenu Madule. These 2 pickings, them funny, no be small. You go laugh and fall for ground, yo. Aki and Papa, make una take a easy. Aki and Papa.
Hey, 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 when you touch me, my ear, I heard my body can make it chicky like it really way. Glad. Sorry, I go take a quiet here. I carry out still, so that you no go fall. Hey, and you know, I was wondering, waiting for apple. That's the time when they climb well, I say you had to fall. Still well. Yeah.
Sorry.
I hope you know what. You see, this is my country home. I am going to even change it and build you a more palatiable one.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good.
I should come down here.
You know what? Stay like this. It is not my woman who step her legs on all these ordinary gland.
Okay.
Glad him. Wait. I'm coming. Just stay. Huh?
Okay,
stay well, don't follow. Are you okay now?
Let me hold it.
Hold it, Let me go. Hey! Yeah. Hey.
All this for me?
Hey, why not? Look, I am going to make you more than comfortable. I don't know how to thank you. Hey, Gladim. I tell you, say you will not step your leg on the gland.
Thank you.
Oh, Gladim. Hey! Oh, Diego.
This is a red carpet reception.
You, look, Oh, Gladys, you even deserve more than that. Hey. This is special for you. Yeah. Oh, Gladys. Okay, come. Small.
Hold me very well.
Hey, why not?
Don't let me fall.
Small. Gladys. Yeah. Wait, stay here. Let me keep this bicycle. Okay. You have done your own party. Let me take you in. Oh, Gladys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Come. Let me take you in. Excellency. Gladys. Excellency. Gladys. Gladys, oh baby, oh Gladys, darling, oh Gladys. Sit, please, sit. Yeah, sit. That is my queen. That is my queen. She don't sit down. Let me come. I will not waste any of your time. Hey, Gladys, oh Gladys, hey, hey. Gladys. Yeah. What are you looking at? Didn't I tell you to stay in your rooms when I was going out?
What about this? And also shit.
Go. Don't spoil my day with your bad belly. Hey!
Shit! This man wants to kill us. This woman will kill and bury us with Ken. Okay, let's run away and go to Grandma's place. That is what Bob Marley says. He who fights and run away live to fight another day. Kill them back there. Kill them back there in the house. Kill them in the house. Kill them.
In short, you see, hey. Okay.
Papa, did you call us?
Are you Michael Power?
No, Papa.
Why should I call you? By the way, where is the peace you people said you are coming to peace? Show me!
And Papa, you are trying to bribe the peace. And the sheet too.
Oh, you are trying to bribe the peace and the sheet too?
Yes, Papa.
Look here. Pankanel and Popo.
Papa.
I don't want both of you to mess me up today. Okay?
Yes, Papa.
Now, come on, get inside your room and go inside your room and bribe the peace. Look, I don't want any disturbance here today.
Come on, get inside.
Mama, glad you. Mama, glad you. No problem.
I'm hungry.
Hungry? Food in my own country home. Look, I have food. You are going to eat. You don't even know where you have come. I am going to make sure that you eat and you are like, oh, look, guess what? I am going to get you a delicacy. Okay, see a delicacy. Just wait,
Okay.
As we go. Sweetie, sweetheart, I am just coming from the kitchen now. And all the drinks I put inside the fridge are already frozen. And you know, before we can drink it, I have to defrost them. So I think the best thing we'll do now is to have our food. So let me get your delicacy. All right? Yeah. Gladys, guess what I cook?
Rice?
Rice again. It is not my Gladys that will eat rice in this my country home.
So, what did you prepare?
Guess what? Okay. I am going to count 3. On count of 3, you just open it, okay? And see the dish. Okay?
Right.
1, 2, and 3. What? Hey.
Good.
Hey. I didn't prepare this. Hey, Oni.
Leave me alone.
Sorry, Oni. Oni, please come back, Oni.
AKI and PAW PAW don't plan coup for their papa. Because why? He wants to marry AKI and PAW PAW teacher. You can imagine how the house go be. The house go turn to another classroom. Flogging for morning, flogging for afternoon.
I am coming.
Papa wants to kill us like armed robbers. Let him kill us so that we'll go and meet Mama. Papa, are you not afraid to die? Die? I'm not afraid. If you won't let him kill us. In fact, he cannot kill us. He cannot kill us. If you want to die, die alone. I don't want to die. Okay, lose yourself now. Lose yourself now. If you don't want to die. I'm going mental. I'm going mental.
Not only going mental. After I have killed you, you are going to turn into metal. Idiot. What of you I am sending to meet your mother in the air? Go, leave me. Why are you tying these children like this? They want to kill me, but I am going to kill them first.
You can't kill them. Have you paid your tax?
I am going to pay my tax after this assignment.
No, you are doing assignment. The tax collectors are already here. And they are chasing people up and down. You are doing assignment.
Wait for me, I'm coming back. Hey! You're on your own.
What can we do now? Use it.
Ezike, if I had my way, I would have decimated those devils.
Why? What did they do to you?
Oh, you are asking me why? What have they not done to me? Those children have made me a liar, a thief, a rogue, an idiot, in fact everything. Huh? Look, you must permit me. I must kill them, and I am going to kill them in the presence of all the elders. Yes!
They are your children. You can't kill them. They are only being children.
Oh, you are calling those boys children, eh? That means you don't know them. You don't even know them. Look, all their mates are getting married. And they are capable of impregnating a woman. And you are here telling me that they are children. After I have them. They are my kids.
But what is their problem?
Oh, because the woman I want to marry, they don't like her. And that is why they are frustrating my efforts. Huh? Look, wait. With this kola nut, please, you are going to do me a favor. I want you to present this to all the elders so that they can give me their consent to kill those urchins, those devils. I must kill them.
Mbakwe,
do me that favor.
I have told you, you will not kill them. They are children. Explain to them that they need that woman to take care of them like a mother. But Mbakwe, let me ask you. At your age, you are still eyeing young girls. Haba.
Look, Ezike, I may be 60, and even if I am 60, I still look strong and kicking. I can even marry 10 or 20 women. Do you think I am you?
No, you do get soft. It says you be like Papa. Okay, Papa. Okay, it's okay. Not I will call you Papa. Come to the top. Okay, sorry, Papa. It's soft target. Papa. Mind yourself. It's soft target.
Who are those in my farmland? What are you doing here? Huh?
What do you mean? Can you this land?
No, my own.
Okay, show me where they write your name. Oh, no, excuse me. Who are you?
I been gather.
Hey,
yes.
you been gather?
Yes.
We be terrorists.
Terrorists?
We be armed robbers.
Armed robbers?
Oh, give me that gun. Give me them. Give me that gun. Gather. Terrorists. Gather. Come on. Follow here. This one
You be armed robbers. I be night robbers. Wait for me, I'm coming. You be armed robbers. I be night robbers. Okay. elders must hear this.
Mbakwe in tears came to me to lay his complaints. He was so bitter that he wished that permission was given to him that day to kill the 2 boys.
Mbakwe? Okoro. That's right.
Before I go further, I want to inquire from Mbakwe the state of those boys now.
Elders, I agree to.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
See, they may be alive, but they are worse than the dead. Hey!
And Bikon, I have something very important to say.
Yeah. Ngada, why will you change? How can you come into a meeting late, Ngada, and you are raising your hand up for audience? Ngada?
It is because of the weight of the matter I want to discuss with you people.
Yeah, Ngada. Bring down your hand and pay your fine for coming late to the meeting first. Yes. What do you mean? You don't know that is what you're supposed to have done? Yeah. Put it inside the plate. Yeah.
Here is the fine. Can I talk now before I forget what I want to say?
If you like, you can talk.
Ngada, you can go ahead and speak.
Talk now.
Ngada, we are still waiting.
I've forgotten what I wanted to say.
Hey!
You can imagine.
Hey! Those Murujia!
I think they get now this one. I know they like this one. Don't drop! They are doing meeting for us. Drop it. They put poison inside it. Don't take it too. You know see Papa there. Papa there. Papa follow. It is another way. It is tires. One jumping bad, I don't get money back up for that. Hey, these are not my pets. No, you're ugly. Peter. Peter. See, I answer Peter. If you didn't eat, remember say anytime I send you a message, go. If you no go, that day, I should say, Mommy be okay. I'm coming, this is the smell you wear. The smell, you know, see, if I go buy perfume, I will walk. Come they can display for house. Now I go touch them. Hey, I don't even know where they say better perfume. When time make they buy it to wear in life.
Now 450 why I go give you? Make you take your change. The place where I carry this thing far.
Where is it far?
Now you carry am. Now me know say
give me my change, John.
Give me my change, John.
You little rats.
What if you are call us rats? But I'm calling money, not thief.
If I catch you, I will squeeze you.
If I catch you, I will use you.
I just ask them, wait first, with this station, you enter yourself. Why is that?
You know, help us. As we are coming back from school. Yes.
Wait,
look at him.
Where? Hey, man, stop there. Stop. Under arrest. Stop. Under arrest. Which kind of arrest? You check kidnapper. You don't see the 2 boys where run come out from this place? Boys where you want to No, they will pickpocket. See my money. They thief my money. They thief my money. They thief my money.
God don't catch you. After make you come carry your bag. Stupid man.
I tell you what I say. They take my money. Then they run, they go. Come. Okay, come. What you get for yourself? All this wrong, where we they follow you, they run up and down. What you go find for us?
What if I will give you something?
You go find us
something. And
something.
then when I tell the little rats collect my money, then me pickpocket. Where I go get the money? Where I go give you?
Your money go chop.
Now where I go get the money?
So you think we go they run up and down, empty stomach.
I don't get.
Okay, they run, they follow them now.
So I saw you they walk.
Now go.
Okay.
Bad boy. Bad. Where are you going?
Papa, you see, our papa has driven us away from the house, and he has sworn to kill us by any means. That is why we are going to Omukwa village to stay with our mother's brother. Look at the way she's crying, as if he was the person our father pursued from the house. You are not even the leg which we are going to use and thread to Omukwa village. Doka, I'm beginning to suspect you.
It's because I love you.
Ude Ajowaya. The old soldier never dies. Belitus Ogonos, the son of Ogonos Diribe, a philanthropist of international standard. Old soldier never dies. Elegantus aum. Elegantus eleganta elegantum.
Ambitious Belitus.
Yeah.
Oh, so you never die.
Yeah.
64 NM.
Yeah. Elegantus. Yes.
My darling.
Yeah.
Is there anything I can do for you?
Yes.
Because I'm cooking in the kitchen.
Elegantus. You can leave that food to burn to ashes.
Burn.
Let me tell you what I saw in the British War.
Billy?
Listen, look.
Just British war. My soup should burn in the kitchen.
Shut up your mouth. Let me deliver my sermon on the mouth. You see, the British women, they're so skinny. You know, so tiny that you can eat 2 of them in a night and still stay empty stomach.
That is why you called me.
Elegantus. Elegantus aum. Elega, come. We have visitors. Yes.
Good afternoon, ma. Sir.
Yes, and you are looking for attention. At ease. Adiwaya. Right on, boys.
Sir, we are the sons of your sister.
Hey.
I am Aki. I'm Papa.
Elegantus. Here
Hey,
are
fine
the
boy.
sons of my sister. The sons of my sister. Yes, you are welcome. Yes. How about your father?
Father.
Yes.
Father.
Yes.
He drove us out from the house.
Drove you?
Yes.
Why?
Because we told him the truth. Yes, we told him not to marry Miss Koko.
Miss Koi Koi.
Who is Miss Koi Koi?
Our class teacher.
Your class teacher.
Sometimes he will decide to kick us.
Me? Kick you?
Yes, like this. Yes, just like this.
What is all this?
Sorry,
Oh God, my soup.
Attention!
Oh, baby, my soup.
Follow. Yeah. This Moron, have I not warned you to stay away from my home?
Where is AKI and PAW PAW?
Go back from where you're coming from.
You just stay away, eh?
Where you, baby?
I'll kill you today.
Get out, oh! Come, get out! Hey! Let no woman kill you, mess away! Mess away! No! Hey! Yeah, Chineke. No!
Why are you running? Nakashi is the king, the queen. Nakashi is the queen.
This village safe. Are you so sure they will have squirrels? They don't have. Even lizards, birds, they don't have. Why are you standing there looking at us like Poppy?
Because I know who you are. AKI and PAW PAW.
Nonsense. Are you the daughter of Belifu?
My father's name is not Belefu. His name is Belitus.
If your father like, let him answer tortoise or kangaroo. We don't care. By the way, what is your own name?
My name is Fatima.
Fatima. Fatima. If you want, answer Chun-Li or Lentong. It does not concern us. Wait. Are you sister to Chakin Chen?
Why you people tell me all this now? I'll tell my mommy and I'll tell my daddy too.
You cannot even do like this. Like this. You can't even do.
I'll tell my mommy.
You cannot do like this. Look at his crying. She cannot even be a Jackie Chan's sister. Dorcas is even better than you. Yes, Dorcas even can even steal small money. You don't even know how to steal.
It's okay now, eh? This thing. No, I said leave it. Leave it. Don't worry, soon will soon be ready, eh? Though, I know you people are very hungry.
My stick. It's a lie. If not, now I will shoot my own and I will win too. I think it's this girl. Huh? Come, what are you doing here? Look at the way you're looking like goat head. Huh? Don't call me goat head again. Hey, shut up. Look at. What are you? If you're not a goat head, then it's you. I will tell my daddy for you. It's your father, the governor or the president. Huh? Are you mad? Go away from here. I won't go. I say go away from me. Leave my thing. Leave my thing. I'll tell my daddy.
Bia, what is the matter? Who are those little roaches? Eh? Are you a thief? Are you a thief? Why do you hold on to what is not yours? Eh?
Did we call you?
Will you shut up your mouth? Otherwise I'll flog both of you to death now.
Go.
Tumbo, obi tineje nyeme, omasikwa gela bakasi. Aga m esoro gị laa. Masịkwa gị la bakasị o. Aga m esoro gị laa. Tombo. Tombo eh. Tombo eh. Tombo eh. Tombo eh. Obiuti na-ejenye m o. Ọ masịkwa gị la bakasị. Aga m esoro gị laa. What is it?
That's people are here. That's people are here.
Huh? Yes.
Belly juice! Belly juice! Where are those big-headed termites in your house? If you don't want the public to see us today, go and bring out the 2 racks in your house. Now!
What have they done now?
What do you mean, what did they do now? They did many things. I saw them beating my daughter, and I was trying to intervene. They put sand into my eyes.
Hey, sand?
Yes. Those boys attempted to murder me, but the God who lives in heaven saved me from their hands. This is the money I spent to treat myself.
Okay. You know, my name is Belitus Ogonos, the son of Ogonos Diribe, right?
I know that long time ago.
Okay.
Yes.
The boys you have come to see are my sister's sons, the sons of Mbakwe from Umweze.
I don't care to know whose sons those roaches are. What I want is the funds of the bill I spent to treat myself for the sand they put into my eyes. Listen, if I catch those boys, I will skin them alive. Use their skin to set drums.
Oh, those guys sure have thick skin, Uzelu.
Yeah. Give me my bill. I'll get them.
How can I be in my own house and still? I want to kill myself in my own house. It can't happen.
Elega, amaghị m na otu nwa agadi. Elega.
Okay.
Amaghị m na otu nwa agadi.
Why are you crying? Sit down. What is it?
Elega, how did God bring those children into my life? Look at me. I say my prayers every day. I go to church every Sunday. I give alms in the church. I'm a philanthropist like my father. In spite of all this, God brought these children into my life.
Yeah, Jiraka Ebru. Those children. I am very sure those children must have entered their mother's womb from the back. Let that disturb you. It's okay, don't cry. Stop crying.
You mean I should stop crying, eh?
Crying.
Then what should I be doing? Laughing, eh?
It's okay.
No. Elega, amanem no to work at you. Elega.
Billy. Elega.
Elega, what is it?
Billy!
Elega. You want to overtake me?
Billy!
Elega, it's not like this now.
Billy!
Elega. You want to overtake me, Elega?
He must cross here today. Yes. We will wait for him. Look at the other day. He instead of him to allow us beat that girl, he was there trying to fight us. We must wait for him here today. Papa. He's coming.
one day, Akila one day, Akila come to
allow us to beat that girl. Come on, stop us.
Real water. I'll not be late for this meeting today.
Don't shoot here. Let's go and take his clothes. Then you collect his slippers. We will go now.
Hey, come on, collect your clothes. Your slippers.
Hey, you boys, put those clothes down there.
You put them down to your house. Yes, we'll put them down at your house. Bye-bye.
Hey, Papa. Let's punish him. How? What are you thinking? Let's push this motorcycle away. Aki, if this man catches us, he will use the fate of Igbo inside his head and kill us. You too they fear, Popo. Look, let's punish the man. Do you know what we do? We'll carry this and run away. That is why they kill this Okara people. That is why they kill people. See, Igbo in the head. Yes. Kaka in the mouth. Papa, let's take this. Aki, you are right. Yes, good as a fence. Push it. Papa, this is right. This will save you. Small. Push it. Aki, quick before he comes out. Push. Small. Easy. No, wait. Easy. Aki, small. Push up. Aki, easy.
Most I got, otherwise be dying. The King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. No. Oh no, my bike. I stopped there, and I left my machine there, and I walked to the bush. Oh, he can't be. No. It can't be my machine. No.
Police will arrest us. Police will arrest us. Okay, let's run before they will see us. After all, what are we going to do with this grand king? Papa, if if we run out, they will shoot us. They will be thinking, see what we do, we will tell them that we saw this motorcycle inside bush and that maybe it was an armed robber that parked it there. So that is why we are bringing it to them.
Okay, you are right. Okay, you are right. At least they will call us good Samaritans.
Popo? You are putting pompity.
You are pumpkin.
Popo, that thing is not Samaritan.
This is heavy. This is Samaritan, Popo. That's Samaritan.
School. You don't even know.
Pumpkin. Please.
My machine, no. My machine, no.
Officer.
Officer, see these children now. Now from where they collect this bike come?
Young boys, where you taking that bike to?
We saw the motorcycle inside the bush.
What bush?
I'm robbers parked there.
I'm robbers?
Yes. So we decided to bring it.
I wonder.
You're welcome. I mean, young boys, you know, you're the kind of people we need in this country.
These guys are wonderful.
Yes. Officer, thank you.
Yeah.
You're welcome, okay?
Officer, you give us more money.
Small money, you don't have any problem,
We'll get that
okay?
We'll get that from us.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Officer.
Yeah, we'll get that.
AKI and PAW PAW wanna go kill somebody.
Hey, what is it? What's your problem?
Hey!
Hey, stop there. I go just fire you. I go scatter your brain.
I am one kept I motorbike by the side of the road to shine eye. And some Babylonians come take away one bike. You see, this bike, now my own. I just pack them by the side, make I go, no, sorry, make I go shit. But before I come out, the thing just vanish.
Identify it. Where are your particular?
Okay, that one no be problem. I know still am. This is the particular.
Look, you man, if this thing there enter my hand, now seize I go seize am. And now for station we go come collect and write application. Bala.
Oh, oh, now I understand. You see, I don't understand before. You see, because of armed robbers, we used to hide Sorry. I have particles here. The particular might be somewhere. Officer, have you ever lost your money?
This guy thinks I come here, come play.
Allow me make I fire this man now.
Officer,
let's joke with him.
No, I'll find the money.
It's okay. You have your duty to carry out. She must pay that money. Yes, I will not spend the money. I will. Excuse me. Excuse me. Why must you do this to me?
It's a love story. I beg you, give me a rapper.
Yes, it's true. A normal human being can't be naked.
These kids, they've killed me.
Meanwhile, you must pay the money.
You know those boys are little devils. And in fact, everybody is complaining about them. Really? Then why can't your father just throw them out of your house instead of keeping them there?
I'm sure he will do that very soon.
It's even better because they will cause trouble in this village one day.
My stupid things.
This little devil! Wait for me, damn coming! Nonsense! You are the masquerade!
Just wait for me!
Just wait for me! Wait! Just wait, let me pick up my pocket. See.
Go and sit down, my friend. Whose fault?
I said it's all your fault. It's all your fault. How do you think you're going to
How is it my fault?
It's your fault.
Eh?
It's your fault.
You don't know soldier is impeccable if you don't know.
You are not impeccable.
Impeccable.
You are not impeccable anything. When those kids came here, you almost lift up their anus. You're talking.
What did you expect me to do? They came as innocent boys. I mean, the sons of my late sister.
Yes.
What did you expect a philanthropist of international standard like me to do? Maybe to drive them away? No way, baby.
They came as innocent boys. You can see what their innocence are causing in this community. Okay, let me tell you. One day, those boys, they will sell this house. And before you know, they've thrown us out.
God forbid. Instead, I will kill them with my own hands.
And the government will kill you and they will hang you with their government rope.
Yeah. Hey, Belitus Ogonos, the son of Ogonos Diribe, a philanthropist of international standard. Also, you know that I'm finished. I'm finished. These boys have made me a laughing stock in this community. Hey, look. I'm going to kill them, bury them, and nobody will know that I killed them.
That is what you get from a bad lineage.
Are you cursing my family and lineage? Look here. I'm going to kill you first before I kill those boys.
Oh, soldier, Billy, you can't kill me. You will first of all kill yourself before you kill me. Idiot.
Me, idiot?
You're an idiot.
Oh, soldier, idiot?
Yes, that's what.
Belitus Ogonos, the son of Ogonos Jiribo, so you know that is.
Shut up all those of big grammar. You leave me. You leave me. Leave me alone. I'm telling you. Also, leave me alone. I'm telling you. Also, you don't fool though.
Attention! Proceed to be identified. Hallelujah. Proceed. Come on.
You follow your uncle. You follow your uncle. You follow your uncle. You follow your uncle. This is the man.
Belitus Ogonos, the son of Ogonos Deribe. Hey, this voice will kill me.
Am I going to? Madam, I am going to Belitus' house. Those boys will not rest until I have taken it back on them.
Where did they say those Oshins came from?
They are said to be Belitus' sister's sons. Who is sure of that? Maybe those things are little rascal girls who have come to punish him for all his evil doings.
I heard that those boys put some sand into your eyes and throw you with Ken.
Madam, is that the only one you had? They also set a trap for my bicycle and carry me put on the ground.
Okay. These boys are taking too much.
Those children, it is either they kill me or I kill them.
Tua. Jaja. Attention!
Can't you stop this and continue tomorrow?
Oh no, Elega, baby. You see, if I don't finish this military training now, I may never have time to do it again. But for goodness sake, where are AKI and PAW PAW? Where are they?
Those devils. I have told you, I don't want to see those things. I don't even want to hear the mention of their names because it makes me go mad. In short, I even wish they are dead.
Belitus, where are those boys? Where are those boys? Where are those boys? They must die today. Oh, I am not Uzelu. Where are they?
We don't even know. Those boys are becoming something else. You see, even me, I'm also looking for them to kill.
No need. Don't worry. I will do the job for you. I'm ready.
You got those ones. You got those ones. I don't kill them, never rest. You are there. Where's that kill them, never rest? Where's that kill them?
Yes.
You are there. You are there. I said you are there. You are those ones. Yes. Bring that for me. Bring that.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord.
Are you going mad?
I'm not mad, elegant baby. You see, I'm only happy. Happy and nothing but happy. You see, I'm not going to commit the murder again. There are people here who will take the responsibility for me.
Melodious.
Yeah.
Now you listen. If you don't bring out those cankerworms of yours for me to kill, I will set your house ablaze.
Yes. No, you don't need to set my house ablaze. This house does not belong to those boys. They are only visitors in my house. I will find them for you, okay?
Good.
Yes.
Good, because if you allow me to find them out myself, I'll cause wahala in this community.
Oh, you see, come to think of it, that's a beautiful idea you have, Ntaka. A beautiful idea. You would have my permission. Slaughter those boys for me.
I don't like this place. Oh, I hate this place. Our village is better than this place. Whoa. Huh? Do you know that Fatima thought that we don't know how to dance? She doesn't even know that we can dance better than her. That dance which she taught us now. I can dance it too. This one, oh this. That I will. You do like this. Say come on, guy. You don't know how to dance. No, it's not that one. Yeah. Dance your own. I will. See this one. I'm going to see this time. That one. Sing to that one. About to give it a change. About to give it a change. Do you know that I hate Fatima like the devil? Fatima? Me too, I hate her. She's too lazy. Every time she'll be rubbing her face with these liquids. And it is this liquid that has changed her color. Yes. Instead of her to be like her mama, that is dark, or her papa, look at her face. She has changed her color like an Oyibo. Bleaching cream, every time, bleaching cream. I hate her. Papa, let's teach her a lesson. But her friend is there. I don't mind. The other day, didn't we fight Otaka and we defeated him? So, how can we do it? See, wait and see.
Fine. Hurry, Joe. This is like what I do. Yes, because...
What is this? Look at this is water with pepper inside it. You want to kill somebody? I want to see her. I'll put this thing inside that pack. You go there and Dance. You dance in your front. When you dance, I'll come. I'll put this inside that liquid something.
So what next? Just power brush?
Hey.
Oh. Started again.
This one, don't mind them.
God, is that funny? Funny. Oh, please hurry up. Let's go. We're almost late. Eh? Oh. What's this thing? What? What is it now?
There's something cutting me on my face.
What's in you?
Like pepper. Like this is like pepper now.
There's nothing there.
There's pepper on my face.
Oh, always living like a premature.
Don't call my mommy. Mommy! Mommy!
Are you sure not responsible?
Okay, just wait, I'll kill you today.
Yes, look, I will kill you, bury you, and nobody will know your whereabouts. What kind of thing is this? Eh?
Shut up your mouth here. That's your stupid man.
Eh, Elegant? What did you say about my sister?
Is she not an imbecile?
Eh? Oh, that my sister is an imbecile. It's alright. We shall know who is an imbecile now. Don't you know that it's not my sister? Who paid your bride price?
Oh, because she paid my bride price.
Okay.
Because she paid my bride price. My children should come and take it off me.
Sorry.
Abi, what is it?
That my sister is an imbecile.
What is it?
Hey, Elega. My sister.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fight has entered second stage. And the challenge is not very easy. The challenger has run away. The champion is now going for the final kill. And the challenger has run away. And the challenger has run away. This is a knockout. This is a knockout. This is a knockout. Because Osita has won.
I'll kill this student. Mommy! Huh? Did you kill him? Are you mad? He's happy to be crying with me. I wasn't meant to be crying. Why now?
In fact, those boys in Bluetooth's house must be chased out of this community immediately.
Ntaka, did you say chase?
Yes.
They should be killed and not chased away.
Those boys have done evil in this village.
If you saw what those boys did to me, they really dealt with me. Those boys. Get back! I said get back! Get back! I'll use my stick on you now. Get back!
Wait. Uncle, we have come to make confession to you people.
Confession? What confession? You monkeys!
Ntaka, leave them. Leave them. Immediately they have come to pay for all the damage they have done to us.
Now listen. Out with it before I put away my patience and put on my temper now. Are you hearing me?
Men, take it easy. Allow them. Young men, go on.
In fact, Uncle, we have come to apologize for all the mischief which we have committed in this village. And to tell you that it was Uncle Belitus and his wife. Yes, Uncle Belitus and his wife. They were the people that always tell us to do those things.
Yes? Wait. Was your uncle the one who told you to put sands into my eyes and push me from my bicycle?
Exactly.
And it was Brutus that asked you to pack in my clothes by the river.
Exactly.
Melitus, the devil. I know it. That all this while he was pretending. Yes, he was pretending.
So it was Brutus that made me go through that disgrace.
That you men are foolish. How do you believe that these boys are not lying? Shut up! Michano! Cat! Eleke! How can they be lying with a matter as serious as this?
Uncle, we have to go now. Because Uncle Bellitus will be looking for us.
Okay, better go.
If we don't go now, he will beat us. He likes to flog us.
You better go, my children.
Tell my children. That man Bellitus.
I'm so disappointed. How do you believe those boys are not lying?
What are you talking?
Anyway, we shall soon find out. By the time we go to Bellitus' house, we shall soon find out. With our machete, we'll find out.
Yes.
I thank you, really, really. Hey! Kadundan Canara!
Up top here!
You
will live long. Up top here!
Okay,
No, you don't know how
strong you are.
Hey, you will never change.
Very, very. Come, you're welcome. Hey, let me bring seat.
You live long.
Hey, sit down. This is good. Hey! Please sit down. Let me bring cola nuts, eh? No. What do you mean by no? Sit down. Let's tell why we are here. We shall eat cola when we come next time.
Yes,
sit down, please sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Okay. This one you said you people should not eat cola. I hope your wife is not dead. Hey! It's not my portion. My wife is heaty. Okay. Now tell me why you people, what brought you people?
Mazababa, it is your sons.
Sons?
Yes.
Oh, have you people killed them? Is that why you said you won't eat cola?
No.
Kill them!
They are not dead, Mazababa.
They're not dead? What?
Yes.
Oh, sons. Yeah. I hope 3 of you did not make up your mind to come to my house and cause pains to me.
No, Mazin.
No, Mazin.
All right, for your information, I don't have sons. In fact, I used to have them, but I don't know. In fact, they disappeared into thin air.
But my in-law.
Okay. All right. I can see that you people just resolved to come to my house and cause some pains to me. You wait, Just wait. Okay, I'm coming. In-law, I am coming.
This man has not changed.
You never.
Now.
Mbano. You can't treat your in-laws like this. Belly Kitu. You know me too well. Anybody, especially 3 of you, that will cause a nightmare to me is not my in-law. Now out.
This one will kill those boys.
Now. Come! You Belly Kitu. You Belly Kitu.
I will kill you today. Mommy! Mommy! Daddy, look at them. Mommy, they called me on ripe banana. They called me on ripe banana, so I was chasing after them and they now put their leg for me to fall down.
And you now fell?
Yes. Look at them.
What happened?
It is a fall. Yes.
What do you mean it is a fall?
She fell down.
Aki and Papa, I have warned you. I have warned you people. Leave my daughter alone. Eh? Aki and Papa, I said leave my daughter. I know what to do. I will.
Are we going to continue like this? Since 3 days now, Auntie has refused to give us food. Okay, let's go and find money and start a business. Start a business? How? Are we going to steal? How can we steal? We are not stealers. Papa, that thing is not stealers. It is thieves. Okay, how then are we going to get money now? Let's go and beg for market. Do what? Beg? God forbid. Me, Pankane, to beg. It's not you, Ake. We're waiting God go forbid. A beggar has no choice. Hungry man no the shame. See, let me tell you, I have an idea. We'll go and see Dorcas. At least she will help us and do the begging while we keep the money for her. Can I come over? Bright idea. See, it's better self. We'll go and dance for people and they will give us money. Tomorrow, we shall go and see Dorcas. But Ake, today now we must work.
And Popo, Pam Canelio, and Popo, Aki and Popo, Muonagor killing somebody, Aki and Popo, Oge Bubenum Madule, this two pictures, them funny is small, you go laugh and fall.
Mommy! Mommy, where's my food?
This story now about two pickings, yo. One name na Aki, the other one na Popo. Aki plus Popo equals to double trouble. Aki plus Popo equals to double wahala. Anywhere them go, kata go bust you. Anything
get my food here. I don't know what it is.
Where did you keep it?
On this table.
Where are those rascals?
I don't know. Aki! Papa! Aki! Papa!
I never see this kind of rascals before.
Aki and Papa!
I never see.
Aki! If you like run, you will meet me here in this house today. Let's care for you.
Aki!
Oh, you asked me when I was calling you people, I refuse to answer. Where is Fatima's food?
We did not see any food.
You did not see any food there?
Exactly.
So what is this on your mouth? What is this? No, don't move it. What is this indomie hanging on your mouth? Leave.
Hey, Aki, it is the one you ate in the dream.
Which dream? Which dream?
As you know, come give us food. Now we can't dream. And inside that dream, now we can't chop indomie. Papa can't drink and come. We swear to God, we did not see any food. We did not eat any food.
Since you have insisted to maintain on your lies, I'm coming. Hold on, let me get my food.
Now that part. Chop the true. Now that true.
I say wait. Hold on. Oh, you are running. You are running away. You can run today, except you won't come back to this house. I am waiting for you here. Stupid boys.
Papa, stop crying. It's better we go back home. We'll go back to our village. Okay. I'm thinking of how we can get food. You're talking of going back to the house. Do you want Miss Koko and Papa to kill us? Papa, look, since yesterday that they stopped giving us food, it's better we go home. Look, we've not eaten up to today. We don't have even money to buy anything. No food to eat. It's better we go home. We've not eaten, and you are thinking of going back to the house. Let's go and meet Dorcas. At least she will help us get some food and some money.
Let's just sit here. Okay.
Be careful.
Okay.
Be careful, something is there. You see, why we are begging this money is because our uncle and his wife have refused to give us food for a week now.
Hey, why now?
Doctor, it's true. So make you leave this one for us. You know, the money is not even plenty. Leave it for us. Please.
Okay.
You be going now. We'll see you. We'll buy another shoe for you. If you use this one and buy full finish, yes. We'll use the change and buy you thread. Hey! Bakasi se kinio, Bakasi se kinio, Ojendele. Bye bye. Bakasi se kinio, Ojendele. Give me some now. Let me go there. What will reach you? Bakasi is a kinio, Bakasi is a kinio, Bakasi is a 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. I got to do the thing I do now. 140, 160, 170, 175, 180. Actually, this one is not enough. This money can't buy anything. Yeah, what do we do? Let's get more money now. How? Let's go and dance. Dance. People will think that we are mad. Dancing without music. Look at it. I have plenty of music. Yeah, now. You have plenty of music, yes. Okay, now. So let's go and dance. Okay, let's go. No, I'll bring it. I'll hold it. I'm not going to smoke any Igbo, but I will make some people do. How? Good down. First of all, these people will catch us. They will catch us. I know. Let's look for a piece of paper or anything. And if we reach here, we'll show them that we are officers CID. I've got one. Let's go. Reach there one.
You don't trust me. This is not that one. The color of a bala airplane. This one are direct from Talakuta Republic.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. When I think so, strike over here. Now what do you want?
I want to buy a pencil.
Come. For waiting
I want to chop it. We need 100 naira.
100 naira? But that is too much for your little brains.
We're not going to chop it alone. No. My mama, my papa, and my sister, everybody, they will follow us and chop it. Yes.
Come. That one our family, na grass family. Abi your mama na Jamaica she come from?
Sometimes.
Ma tell you, break on a smoke as on a brain go fit carry you. The way they shine your eye like this.
Papa, is still the shine?
No, I don't come out.
100 naira won't be this. Who they pay? Where money now?
You're under arrest.
You know you're a criminal. You're a crook. Sometimes so, but I know the criminal. But I be a fast guy. See you, the fast guy. To see shit.
You tell yourself the fast guy.
See, but Aki, come. What are we going to do with this Igbo? I'm going to do America Wonder. You see, but Papa, this road before this ganja may begin to catch you. Papa, look at that man. That's our friend. That man was on top of that palm tree.
Yeah.
Push back! Push back!
You again?
The kind of race we take today, in fact, I'm tired. I can go and register for Olympic. You go and register alone. If you still have some strength. Me, I'm very tired. I'm very hungry. Papa, who is there? It's a human being. No?
These boys have killed me. They have killed me. My head. I am dead.
It's a human being.
Benedicite. Oremus, Benedict Dominus, Essectua Dona, Quidetur Lagitete Sumusum Tuhure, Per Dominum Nostrum.
Amen.
me.
much.
That's me.
That prayer now straight from Italy.
Yeah.
I think
Elegantus, elegantum.
So after I don't pray this one finish, eh?
Yes.
When una come one chop like this, Jesus go come open una belly.
Yes.
As soon as gazo the thing finish. When I was going this is why you kill every animal.
Elegantus, eleganta.
Kill all the animals.
Yes.
Correct. This is my special soup for you.
Yes.
Show you my love. Abuma, Adam, swallow. Correct speaking. I teach you something. Your hand of God is small, well.
Good day, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Get up from my feet. I say I'll kill you. But chop, no mind those here picking him.
Hey, oh darling, I'm going tonight. Oh darling, I'm going far away. If I happen to die on the battlefield, never mind, we shall see again. My father, don't you worry. My mother, don't you worry. If I happen to die on the battlefield, never mind, we shall see again. Hanley, Hanboy, Hanley, Hanboy, Hanriot, Hanloyat, Hanloy, Hanroya, Hanley, Hanley, Jaja, 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 Ate, Shola, Ray, Tana, Bawa. Bellitus or gunners. The man who got an excellence award from Her Royal Majesty, the Queen. Oh, so you never die. So this is where you guys are, eh? You are all wicked.
We can rock it. Let's go.
Bellitus are gone.
Yeah.
Holy man who got an excellence award from Her Majesty the Queen. Oh, so this is where you... There's no way I can exonerate you in this. I mean, you don't have any excuse to give in this. It was you who cooked the food. And it was you who served the food.
Billy, so you don't believe me? Eh? How can I put something in the same food I eat out of? Eh? After all these years of marriage, you don't believe me, Billy?
Daddy, I think it's AKI and PAW PAW, because I saw them yesterday when they were hovering around the kitchen.
Yahoo! I should have known that I have devils in this house. And I knew them not. Elega baby, where are those rocks?
I don't know. I don't know. If I catch those children, I will grind them when I catch them. I will grind them like pepper. They will know.
Me too, I will deal with them.
Eh?
Deal with them.
Those rocks are out there. I'm going to kill them now.
I'm going to kill them now.
Let's go.
Close your eyes, say your last prayers, because you are going to meet your late mother now.
Uncle what? Billy, kill them, shoot them.
I've told them to say their last prayers.
AKI and PAW PAW, wanna go kill somebody. AKI and PAW PAW, wanna get bukenu madule. These two pickings, them funny no be small. You go laugh and fall for ground.